Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to reset Lenovo IdeaPad 3 to factory settings. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So the first thing that you want to do here is you want to go ahead and basically go to the bottom left of your laptop and basically click on the Windows icon. Now from here, you want to go ahead and type in the following, which is going to be reset. Now from here, you want to choose the option here that says reset this PC. Now, from here, what we need to do is we want to go ahead and enter advanced startup. So in this case, you could go and click on restart now, and it will basically start and access the advanced startup here. But in this case, you could go ahead and click on get started here on your reset this PC option, and again, it will reboot you into the reset process. So what does it actually look like, or usually looks like? So when you first boot up into advanced options or into the reset options here, the first thing you see here is to choose an option. You have three options here. You have continue, troubleshoot, and turn off PC. Now let's go and choose troubleshoot here. So the next page, you'll need to choose the reset this PC option, since again, we want to reset our Lenovo IdeaPad 3 here. Now, next is you want to choose one of the following options. Now, you could go ahead and keep your files here. So in this case, it only removes like apps and settings, but it keeps any personal files here like documents, pictures, or any other files that you have. But if you want to start from fresh here, you can go and click on remove everything here to remove personal files, apps, and all settings. Now, once you click on it, it will start the reset process. So just follow the on-screen steps that you see further on, and from then on, you should be good. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.